Morning, this is the elder and these are the elderberries, and I want to make some elderberry syrup today. So I'm just going to always check that you know the ID, don't just pick any berries. I'm just going to take quite a few heads of the berries to make some syrup, and I'm going to collect probably about 30 of these, and then I'll show you what to do next. Elderberry is fantastic for colds and flus and things like that, so I think it's the right time to make a syrup in preparation for the autumn and the winter. The easiest thing to get rid of the berries is to just use a fork to go through like this and get rid of the berries into a saucepan. Now, what we say is that you should cook the berries before you eat them. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be simmering them to make a syrup. So here I have the elderberries in my pan, and I'm just going to add, the recipe I'm going to use is however many elderberries you have, you use half the amount of water. So I'm just going to put a little bit of water in, and then I'm just going to let it boil for 20 minutes or simmer for 20 minutes, and that should be fine. You might notice already that my fingers are properly covered in elderberries, which means it's also good as a paint. However, as I said, raw it can upset your tummy, so it has a little bit of cyanide in it, so cook the berries. That's it.